Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. This is the Lenovo X Plus smartwatch. I got it from AliExpress and I have used it for a couple of days, but is it really worth your money? Well, let's find out. First of all, there are two versions of this smartwatch. We have the Lenovo Watch X and Watch X Plus. The main difference between the two is the Lenovo Watch X Plus carries a dial with Roman numerals, while Lenovo Watch X is equipped with digital dials. The Lenovo Watch X Plus comes with a barometer as well. And prices are different. The Lenovo Watch X Plus costs more than the Watch X. I didn't get any box with the watch, it just came in a plastic bag, which is really odd. It actually came with a user manual, which was in Chinese, and also a magnetic charger was included. The overall design is really good and classy. The build quality is also amazing. It's made from stainless steel, which means it's built to last for ages. And it's equipped with sapphire crystal to prevent scratches and damages. The diameter of the watch is 42.5 mm and the thickness is 12.2 mm. The Milanese strap is really classy and the magnet actually holds the watch in place. The Lenovo X Plus watch is packed with a lot of features and sensors. I will suggest you download the Lenovo Watch app first. The Lenovo X Plus is equipped with all kinds of sensors that have the ability to collect information about the number of steps taken during the day, measure your pulse and blood pressure. It can also measure the air pressure. Many other features are available too, such as distance travel, calories burned during fitness, quality and duration of sleep. You can view all this data via the app. Other functions include message and call functions. You cannot reply or answer to the notification, but just view them. Well, the watch is also rated at 8 ATM, which means it is waterproof up to 80 meters. It is an amazing feature if you want to go swimming with it. Well, before I forget, it also packs an alarm which makes the watch vibrate and doesn't ring. The screen at the bottom of the watch is an OLED technology screen, measuring 1.5 inch. All the information about the activities, notification, sleep information, and so on can be viewed at a glance on the small screen. The navigation of the menu is through the side button. Once you have the app, all the information can be viewed through the app. To be honest, the app really sucks. Whenever you launch the app, there's always a 5-second ad. I couldn't view my sleep phases on the app. I guess it doesn't sync to the phone. I tried it with both Android and iOS, but nothing was responding. Lenovo, please do something about the app because it sucks big time. The watch also keeps disconnecting from time to time. The overall battery life is good. It won't last for 45 days as Lenovo claimed. I use around 8% a day, which equates to roughly 2 weeks. So you won't be charging it on daily basis, which is a good thing. To be honest, I don't consider this as a smartwatch. It packs a lot of features as a fitness band, but lacks some features to make it a smartwatch. It works on iOS and Android too. The design is classy though. I would recommend it for the battery life, the overall design and activity tracking, but I can't recommend it as a smartwatch and the crappy app. Well, for now that's basically it. If you have any questions regarding this watch, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.